Hello guys, welcome back to welcome to my YouTube channel. You never were here before, and yes, today we're driving on my lovely 071, and yeah. I like today it's a very beautiful day. Puta Francja, jebem ti sunce. Yes, today we're trying to make my first moto vlog. Yes, it's like a very beautiful day. What I need to say, I actually don't. Yo, pane brod. La 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 la. Now it looks kind of dark. The rocks. The clouds are puta licht. Putana. The clouds are over the sun.
Nisi mi više jedini, to ti znaš. Biću opet verna kad te vidim ja ponovo. Znam da je to čekaš to, pali gas. Neću malo niti pola, samo sve 100%. Hoću da živim samo te snove, dok se gotivim. Neću da stanem, srce budi sve moje, da se gotivim. Koda je rod pam pam pam, budi meni ti opasan. Nije posljednji put da mi pravim olom, sebi da probaš, ne branim ti to. Koda je rođendan, meni koda je rođendan. Nisi mi više jedini, to ti znaš. Biću opet verna kad te vidim ja ponovo. Znam da je to čekaš to, pali gas. Neću malo niti pola, samo sve 100%. Hoću da živim samo te snove, dok se gotivim. Neću da stanem, srce budi sve moje, da se gotivim.
Sag, wozu was verändern? Alles läuft grad. Baller 100 Millimeter im Club. Julia Ferran, pam pam. Kein Bock auf den Kamerateam, triff sie nach der Party. Bruder, sie brennt wie ne Kawasaki. Komm ins Hotel um 3:30, Emma auf dem Papi. Und ich zerfetze wie ne Kavallerie. Wie ne Balkan, keiner hat sie mir zu Falco. Bin mit Jala Bube, hören Samo Jakob. Ja Mann, von dieser Musik bin ich der Capo. Mach sie international, so wie den NATO. Sie holt sich ihr Ticket, denn sie will es auf Tour. Auf der Bühne meine Stimme, Bruder, chille, Traso.
Koda je rođendan, meni koda je rođendan. Čuje se ram pam pam, budi meni ti opasan. Nije posljednji.
I need to go back. Oh, pičku ti materinu. Oh, fuck it. Pičku ti materinu. I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss me. I can tell you this. Trying to be romantic with you to win the taxes, or you won't get a taxes. Alright, I can tell you this. I can tell you this. Okay. Fuck it. Yes. I'm thinking of living my best life. Yes, that wasn't. Hey, I drive my 701. Okay, I very like. Oh. I want one time in my life to drive a how are they called in English? The John Deere one, the big one. One time in my life I want to drive one of these on the roads, because I don't know, it looks fucking nice, and it's like a monster truck, and that's the best part of it, I guess. Oh, tuk-tuk. No, that's a popcorn machine. You're a Volvo XC40, Peugeot Cabriolet, X5, Mini Cooper, C4 R8. Wait a minute, that's the old R8. Maybe V8, maybe V10. I didn't see that. I didn't see it right. No, it was left. Yes, it actually worked. Hello back. If the camera is dead because it's shut down 2 times, I'm excusing me. I wish you a nice video. That's the end of it then.